In this video, I'll show you how to fix an LG TV that keeps turning off. Step 1. Inspect the power cable and outlet. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into both the TV and wall outlet. Avoid using a power strip or extension cord for initial testing. Step 2. Check power timer and auto power off. Go to Settings, then All Settings, General and Timers. Turn off Sleep Timer and Auto Power Off features. Step 3. Check for software updates. In Settings, select All Settings, then General, and then About this TV. Click Check for updates and install the latest software if available. Step 4. Disconnect other devices. Unplug HDMI CEC, SimpLink, enabled devices or remotes. Test whether the issue stops with only the TV plugged in. Step 5 is a factory reset. Do this only if it's actually required and nothing else works. Go to Settings, then All Settings, then General, and then reset to Initial Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions. This will erase personalized settings, so only do it when it's absolutely necessary and nothing else works. Step 6. Contact LG support. If the problem remains even after resetting your LG TV, contact LG customer support or a certified technician for hardware inspection. And that's how you fix your LG TV from constantly turning off. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out to get this problem solved. Have a nice day. Bye.